Second day of demo is done, and I'll just take some video and then I'll note some things that people might run into as they do their own project. So what we did first is we took off the baseboards. That's the starting point. So we labeled all the baseboards so we know that where they came from. And this is Lifeproof luxury vinyl flooring that we're going to put in. And so we had tile here in front of the fireplace, and we're going to keep that because we were told that it might warp if you put that too close to the fireplace. So we kept the tile. And then we had wood floors before, as you can see from the prior videos, and there was a ton of nails and heavy-duty staples. And so had to do a little bit of damage to the base to get those out. And we might have to smooth that out a little bit. So just a couple things to think about as you ponder doing this kind of project in your own house. The other thing too is if you have cabinets like this and an island also, the wood underneath had to be very finely cut around these edges so that the transition can be made smooth, which took a ton of time. So that's something to think about also if you're going to do your own project. We couldn't really take this island out, well we could, but it was too much work to take it out totally, so we basically cut around and then we'll blend in the new floors with that. The other thing too is the dishwasher right there. We lucked out because we were able to cut the wood from underneath without going in and actually disconnecting the entire plumbing and everything. And then the stove and the refrigerator also, we demoed all the way back in there because it wasn't that hard to just pull them out. You can see some of the wood flooring is still there. But you can also see some of the damage on the base of the floors. Just things to think about as you're going through your project. But this is what it looks like in the main living area. And this should be ready to lay down some of the new vinyl tomorrow. And then I'll show you the bathroom, and then I'm going to walk here in what's going to be all home office area in here. So my wife and I do business from home. So this is going to be all home office. And then the living area, which I just showed you, the kitchen and the family room, that's going to be for the family, but this is going to be all business related activity in here. And the nature of our businesses, it may seem kind of weird to make this a home office, but it was a must for us because we didn't have enough space elsewhere to do it. But and then the stairs, we're going to do the 2 landings and then the very landing at the top, and then we're going to have carpet on the stairs, because doing vinyl wood flooring on the stairs would have increased the cost of the project by at least 50%. It's super expensive to do the fine work that you have to do on all the corners and everything. It's probably some custom ordered parts. So I'm trying to think if there's anything else in this area that was... Everything else has gone, knock wood, pretty smoothly. It's a lot of work and it's more tedious than anything. I mean, if you have the time and you can put forth the effort, you can do it yourself, but it's a lot of work. So even in the pantry here, got that all taken out. And then the bathroom also, another thing to think about. So we had to take the toilet off and the vanity. So we're going to actually replace the vanity because we had to cut the back out, but it was kind of old and beat up anyway. But we had to take the toilet out. And so these are all things to think about, like how deep into a project you want to get before you decide, yes, we want new flooring, because it's not just replacing flooring, ripping up and replacing it. There's a lot of things that can pop up. There's electrical, there's plumbing. Luckily, so far we haven't had much to deal with, but if I had done this myself, just by myself, I would not have been happy with it. It's too much work for one or two people. So I'll just walk through one more time just in case you want to see. But I'm going to be uploading as much of each section as I can so you get an idea of what it looks like through each section in case you're going to do it yourself. We already ordered the vinyl flooring, so we have that in our garage just waiting. And then we have to order carpet, new carpet for the stairs, new vanity, and trying to think what else. Yeah. And these are some of the tools that we've been using. Definitely have to have the right tools to do it or you will not be happy. So that's where we stand so far. We're probably going to be done, I'm hoping, this week, by the end of the week. And you can see the before and after of the project, more or less. And let me know if there's anything in particular you want me to film, any questions you have that I haven't covered that you might be curious about. I can't think of any other things that I wasn't expecting that happened so far. Everything has been pretty much what I thought it was going to be. And of course, the dumpster outside. Make sure you get a dumpster. And that's it. So thanks for watching. I'm going to do some channel updates and kind of where I want to go with future videos and everything. I just haven't gotten around to that because everything is just so crazy with 3 kids and demoing everything. So thanks for watching, and hopefully tomorrow I'll put some of the first planks down we're going to put of the new vinyl flooring.